Hello, I'm Alessandra Miranda, and today I'd like to share with you a little bit about how this incredible tool of the Scalar Heart Connection has helped me and how many things I've been seeing through that. Have you ever gone through an issue in your life with somebody or a situation that you really asked yourself, what the heck? What's going on in this situation? Why am I into this? And think of an interface that you could really ask, what's going on? What do I have to learn with that? How can this help me to become a better person? So through Scalar Heart Connection, through this workshop that teaches us how to tap into this amazing interface, how to really communicate, how to listen to our hearts and all the different organs of our bodies that are included in that issue. The amount of information behind this matrix of the heart, I could say, it's unbelievable. I've never thought I could learn so much through sacred geometry, and I tell Stephen, like, so many numbers. It's really, really amazing. And no matter what you do for a living, you can use this in your personal life. You can use this with your friends, because it's not something that you're gonna tell them. The program, the matrix, is gonna show what's the lesson. And guys, I've been using this in my work as a Kabbalistic astrologer and a facilitator in family constellation, and it's amazing how the chart of the person, how the scalar together can help to target the issue and the teaching of life, of this opportunity, of this challenge. I'm really grateful to have met this tool, and it's a gift for me to share a few words about this absolutely life-changing tool.